I want you to press through the delts, and I want you to press all the way through the wrist into the palms, but remember, it's controlled with the fingers. So it's best to kind of keep the fingers outspread. So I'm gonna stop you from falling over my arm. Press up. Yeah. All right. Straighten up the core. Straighten up your hips. Yeah. All right. Point your toes. All right. Press through the palm. Yeah. So this part of your stomach, I want you to suck it in. Suck in the lower back. There you go. Keep that. Yeah. Just like that. You're in your window. You're in your window. Hold it. That's your window right there. And that's where you practice. Oh. Hold up. Oh, you're locked in. See? Gotta work on it. We gotta work on it, huh?
Save our energy for the next split.
Shit. Enjoying the day, man. Doing what God put us on earth to do, to enjoy this earth. Get in shape, stay strong. I got my boy Abe out here with me. Abe, what's up, bro? Say what's up, man. We out here flexing. There you go. Flexing, getting our calisthenics on. Get strong, guys. Love you all. Peace.
That's it already, ain't it?
No, he's all right.